Welcome back to my channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss, that is the future of building construction technology. Now, as a project management consultant in the construction and real estate industry, I am thrilled to explore the latest advancements that are shaping the future of our built environment. So join me as we dive into this fascinating subject. Before we delve into the future, let's take a moment to appreciate the present. The global construction industry, valued at a staggering $11.4 trillion, is a powerhouse that constantly seeks innovative solutions to enhance productivity, efficiency, and sustainability. Now, over the past decade, the construction industry has witnessed a remarkable evolution in technology. Now, according to industry reports, the global construction technology marketplace is projected to reach an estimated $26.8 trillion by 2027, growing at a remarkable compound annual growth rate of 18%. One of the key drivers of this growth is the adoption of advanced construction technologies. Let's explore some of the game changing innovations that are transforming the industry. Now, the first one is 3D printing. Imagine constructing entire houses in a matter of days using 3D printing technology. Now, this groundbreaking technique offers cost-effective and sustainable construction methods, significantly reducing material waste and labor requirement. Now, next is drones. Drones have revolutionized the construction site inspections, surveying, and monitoring. With their ability to provide real-time data, they have improved safety and increased efficiency by capturing accurate measurements and aerial images. Now, the third one is robotics and automation. Robots are increasingly being used for various construction tasks, including bricklaying, welding, and concrete pouring. These advanced technologies enhance precision, speed up construction processes, and reduce human error. Another significant advancement is building information modeling, or BIM. It is a digital representation of a construction project that integrates all aspects from design to maintenance. Now, with BIM, project stakeholders can collaborate more effectively, streamline workflows, and minimize rework. Now, as we look ahead, sustainability will continue to play a vital role in the future of construction. The industry is embracing eco friendly materials, energy efficient systems, and green building practices to create structures that minimize environmental impact. Moreover, smart buildings are poised to become the norm. These intelligent structures leverage IoT technology, automation, and data analytics to optimize energy consumption, enhance occupant comfort, and improve overall building performance. At the same time, virtual reality is also revolutionizing the construction industry. Through VR simulations, architects, contractors, and clients can immerse themselves in a virtual environment, allowing for better design visualization, clash detection, and decision making. As we conclude this exploration of the future of building construction technology, it's clear that industry is on an exciting path of innovation and transformation. The integration of advanced technologies coupled with sustainable practices will shape a more efficient, environmentally friendly, and intelligent built environment. So, thank you for joining me today on this journey into the future. I hope you found this discussion insightful and inspiring. Remember to stay tuned for more exciting updates and trends in the construction and real estate industry. So, until next time.